What is going on, guys? Sirluis here, the YouTuber that helps you invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys here how to buy the Shiba Inu coin, the easiest way and the fastest way to buy this coin, in my opinion. And the reason why is because you don't need the verification, you know, with the ID and the face photo, and then you gotta wait a couple of days or so to be able to buy coins. With this app, you don't need it. It's optional, but you don't need it. All you need is an email and your phone number to sign up, and then you could buy the Shiba Inu coin, which a lot of you guys want to buy ASAP. This is it right here. It's called KuCoin. I'm gonna open it right here. Now, if you use my referral code, you're gonna get a discount when you buy other coins here, including the Shiba Inu coin. So if I convince you to get this app by the end of the video, use my referral code in the pinned comment and in the description below, and you should get more discounts. So I'm gonna show you guys here step by step how to buy the Shiba Inu coin. So once you get this app, once you download it, it's very simple to make an account. All you gotta do is the email, and then you add your phone number, but you don't need to wait hours or days to get verified to buy. Okay, you sign up and then you're able to buy. Okay, now this app is a little bit different than other apps out there, but I'm gonna show you guys here step by step on how to buy this coin. There's two main ways here, so let's get to it. So there's two main ways here to buy crypto here. So as you guys can see, just click right here. This is the first way, and you can buy using your Visa or Mastercard. Yes, you can use credit card to buy this. The thing is, to buy the Shiba Inu coin in this, you're gonna need USD tether, okay, USDT. Don't worry, this is very simple. Use the Visa card or even Apple Pay, as you guys can see here. Put in your information, and then you want to put the amount that you want to buy for here. I think the minimum is $30. Let's say you want to buy $100. Right over here, it tells you here, it gives you three options on the ones that you will get here. If you pay $100, obviously there's going to be a fee. So right here, this one is the best one because you get 98 USDT. So that's only $2 fee right there. Now, if you try this way and it doesn't work, okay, and maybe you don't like the fee, there is another way that I love doing, and I actually used it this way. It's very simple as well. So basically, you just got to transfer USDT to this app from another crypto app out there, and this is really not that hard at all. It's actually very simple, and you could do this with no fees at all. So I'm pretty sure you guys already have another crypto app out there like crypto.com or maybe Binance or maybe even Coinbase, right? All you gotta do is buy USDT on that app, and then you send it to this app. But there probably is a fee. What you want to do is you want to check your withdrawal fees for that specific app. So for example, I have Binance.us. So right here, I just googled Binance.us withdrawal fees, and it tells you the fees for every single coin, as you guys can see right here. So right here, the fee for the USDT is going to be 33 withdrawal fee. That is huge, guys. That is way too much. So I don't want to withdraw USDT from Binance because that's a huge withdrawal fee. So the reason why I want you guys to search this for your specific app is because there are many coins here where the fees might be zero. For example, here I use Cardano on this app. Where's Cardano? Right here, right over here, Cardano. Look at the fee, zero Cardano. There's $0 to send Cardano from Binance.us to this app KuCoin. Okay, $0, and the minimum is 8 Cardano, which is basically like $10-12 or so. Okay, another good one here is XLM Stellar. Okay, the fee for this on Binance.us is 0.01, which is super low. Okay, so again, like I said, for the app that you guys have, search up the withdrawal fees. Make sure you know the withdrawal fees. If you don't like the withdrawal fees from that app, I recommend Binance.us. I'll leave my referral link in the description below for that as well. All right, awesome. So you found out which app that you like, or maybe you already have it, and you find out which coin you want to transfer. So the next thing you got to do is you got to buy that coin. So for me, I bought Cardano, and then all you basically do is you copy the address from your KuCoin. So to go to the wallet on the KuCoin, you press assets, and then you're gonna search here the coin that you bought for. Okay, so I searched up here 88, and then you want to click it, and then you want to click deposit. I'm not gonna show you guys here my address. After you click deposit, it should show you the address. You just press copy, okay, and then you want to copy that address to the app that you're sending that from, and then it will send it. For me, it was literally like 10 minutes with Binance.us and also Cardano. XLM is another good one, like I said. Another good one too that I heard about that is very low fee is Litecoin. So maybe if you have that. So again, doing it this way, you're basically gonna pay zero fees to send money to this app. Okay, and then after you send that, all you gotta do is go to asset. So you have the main, you have the trading. So you want to send your Cardano or whatever coin that you guys bought to your trading account, because your trading account is going to be the account where you basically convert it to other coins or buy other coins. After you put that in the trading account, you're going to go to trade, and you're basically going to search up here Cardano and USDT. Okay, let me search it up. Where can I search it? You're going to search up here Cardano and USDT. So I just put 88 and right here USDT, and then you're going to press sell. That's as simple as that, guys. You're going to press sell. You're going to basically sell it from 88 to USDT, and now you have USDT, which is the main coin here to buy the Shiba Inu coin. You press SHIB/USDT, and then you buy it using your USDT. And again, this is no fees. I'm basically buying it without any withdrawal fees from Binance, and also to this app there's no deposit fees as well. So this is awesome. I really love this app. And yeah, you basically have SHIB and you could buy it on this app. And this app too is awesome for buying SHIB because the spreads are awesome and the fees are awesome too. One thing I recommend you guys to do is right here, it's similar to Binance, where if you buy their coin, so their coin is called KCS, the Kucoin. If you press right here, after you buy, pay trading fees with KCS. So the fees, instead of going for the SHIB, it's going to go towards the KCS, and it gives you 20% off on trading fees. So the regular is 0.1%, right? It's probably going to be less if you use my referral code. But after you buy KCS, clearly buy just $10 worth of KCS. You just enable this, and it's basically going to take out the fees on the KCS whenever you buy SHIB or any other coin. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. And I recommend you guys keep this app because it's an amazing crypto app. There's so many cool things here. I'll probably make new videos. I'm probably going to make videos in the future like crypto lending, where you could get high interest here just for lending out your crypto if you want to be long term here. The staking. They have a bunch of cool things here. So definitely keep this app. So yeah, guys, that's basically how to buy Shiba Inu coin the easiest and fastest way using CoolCoin. Use my referral code in the description below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like and comment for any questions. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.